We all know that subtitles can help people understand videos better and keep viewers engaged. In this 5-minute video, I will show you how to use 3 free AI subtitle generators to make your video editing process faster and easier. So, let us get started. 1. CapCut AI. The first AI subtitle generator is CapCut's speech-to-text feature. In this example, I will use CapCut for Windows. Download and install CapCut from their official website. You can find the link in this video's description. After the installation process is complete, open CapCut and click the import button to open the video. Drag and drop your video into the scene panel. After that, open the text menu and select the auto caption option. Now, choose your video's language and click the Create button to start generating your video subtitles. You can customize your subtitle text style from the text panel, such as changing font family, color, size, and more. You can also go to the Templates tab to select a pre-made text style. Now, go to the Animation tab to add animation to your subtitles. Select the desired animation from the list. Once everything is set, click the Export button to begin rendering your video with closed captions. Three. Caption AI. The third tool is Caption AI. Go to the Caption AI website. You can find the link in this video's description. Click the Product menu and select Add Subtitles option. Now, click Upload your files and select your video. After the upload is complete, choose the language from the language options. Click Add Captions to start subtitle generation. You can customize the captions from the right panel menu. Click the Text button to modify your subtitle text style and the Settings button to adjust subtitle position and size. After everything is set, click the Download Video button to start rendering your video. You will be prompted to log in using either your Apple or Gmail account to download your final video. Three. VED AI. Add subtitles to your videos using VED's AI-powered subtitles. So let us jump in and upload our video. Now, VED has several AI tools embedded within the editor, but today I'm just going to focus on the AI subtitle generator. Once the video has uploaded, head over to the Subtitles tab on the left and select Auto Subtitles. Choose the language spoken in the video and click Create Subtitles. VED AI will now automatically subtitle result. Click Export button and download the video.
Can you name these animals in English? What's the first one called? It's a bear. The second one? Boar. Number 3. Beaver. Number 4. Eagle. Number 5. Unicorn. Number 6. Sloth. Number 7. Bat.
Thank you for watching this AI video editing tutorial. Visit our channel for more artificial intelligence tutorial videos. Bye-bye.